Hey everyone, Celia the Lice Lady here. Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions. So today we're going to show you how quickly lice connect from one head to another. I have a piece of my hair here. You probably can't see it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick it in a petri dish with a couple of live lice, and we're going to see how quickly they connect onto the piece of hair. It's pretty awesome. Let's go give it a try. So as you can see, we have about 5 lice in this petri dish, and I'm just going to stick my hair in, and we're going to grab, that was like ridiculously quick. I didn't even finish my sentence, and it attached to the hair. And oh, there we go again. And I need to get my hair in the petri dish. Sorry. And let's see if this guy decides to bite. Oh. Here we go. And here we go. This is insane. The other one is like hugging the side of the petri dish. He doesn't know what he's missing out on. Maybe he's like on the verge of dying or something, I don't know. He's kind of curled up. But as you can see, that was ridiculously fast, and you can see how quickly you can get lice through head-to-head contact. So make sure that you're using your preventatives, you're wearing your hair back, and you're doing all that you can to make sure that you're not getting head lice. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment. We'll make sure that we get back to you. Have a lice-free and happy day.